Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is Earth and beyond. Earth is a planet and beyond here is a Milky Way, as well as different galaxies are observed in the solar system. Our solar system is made up of sun as well as 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Look at it. Some of the planets, this is the arrangement of planet, and this red is our sun. Mercury is the smallest planet, and Jupiter is the largest planet. And here Earth is the only planet where life is possible, where we live. Why? Because oxygen is there, plant is there on the earth, as well as water is there, and both are the life on this planet. And we can say here the first 4 planets are the rocky planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the rocky planets. They are made with the rocks. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the gaseous planet. They are made with different gases, and they have different sizes. And the hottest planet is Venus, and 75% made with gas is Jupiter planet. And all the planets, some of the planets, they have moons around them. They have their own moon, and some of the planets don't have their moon. All the planets, they revolves around the sun in a circular path that are known as the orbit. Look at it. They are revolving around the sun, and Mercury is very near, and it is smallest, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and Neptune. And the sun is the star, and all the revolving bodies are the planets. That sun is a star. Why? Because it has its own light. All the fission and fusion reaction are going on the surface of the sun. But all the revolving bodies are the planets, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus and Neptune are the planets. They are revolving in the circular path that are known as the orbit around the sun, and they are spinning around their axis. For example, what is spinning? Spinning is a movement. That is, we can observe it in this merry-go-round. You can say merry-go-round swing. It is a spinning movement. It is the movement of our earth. Whenever the earth, how does our earth revolves? We have a globe and we rotate it. It is known as the rotation. And revolve is whenever they are revolving in its axis as well as around the sun in an orbit. It is known as the revolution, or we can say revolve. Sun is in the middle, and all these are the forms of our earth, and they are spinning around their axis. Here is a pole that is inserted from north to south. It shows that the earth is rotating around its axis as well as in the orbit around the sun. Whenever it is revolving around its axis, day and night are formed. Whenever they are revolving around in its you can say orbit, it forms seasons. Whenever the sun is near, Here we can observe the summer season, and whenever sun is a little bit far, we can observe the autumn as well as the spring. Whenever sun is very near, whenever sun is very far away, it is winter. As we know that our earth is a sphere, but question arises, how do we move on it? Here is a earth is a sphere. Look at the last picture. It is a sphere, but we can walk on it, we can jump on it, we can place on it like a flat surface. How? Because it has a gravitational force that attract us towards the center of its you can say center of the earth. That's why we can observe that we are on the flat surface, but we are in the spherical, you can say in a sphere, in a spherical earth we move. But due to gravity, we cannot fall. Whenever the earth rotates around its axis, day and night observe that all the portion of the earth that is facing the sun is day, and the portion of the earth that is away from the sun is night. Here we can observe that earth is rotating around its axis, that is causing day and night, and it is rotating around in the orbit that causes season. Whenever earth is away from the sun, we can observe cold weather or winter. Whenever earth is near, we can observe spring and summer. Whenever it is very near to sun, we can observe hot weather, that is summer. And earth is, whenever the earth is rotating, it causes the day and night. And here is the only source of light, that is the sun. The sun provides us light as well as heat, and all the objects that are opaque, they block the light and cause the shadow. And why do we observe shadow here? Because in the older time, whenever there is no clock to measure the time, they observe the time with the help of shadow. That whenever the source of light is we can say very far away, small shadows are observed. Whenever the source of light is on your head, small shadows are observed. Whenever the source of light is you can say very close to you, long shadows are observed. And with the help of shadow, they count the time. What part of the day is it? Is it morning, is it afternoon or evening? Or after some time they invent the decennial clock. That is, they insert the pole, and with the help of its shadow or the movement of its shadow, they can observe that which part of the day it is. Then they discover the mechanical clock, as we have nowadays. With the help of this mechanical clock, we can easily measure the time. Why do we measure the time? As we know that our earth is spinning around its axis, and it causes day and night, and it takes 24 hours to complete its rotation around its axis. And the earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete its one rotation in its orbit around the sun. and it is our 1 year, and we can collect it with the help of this mechanical clock. Remember this thing, that our science is observation. Observation invites you to do some experiment, and we can relate the concept, we can relate our ideas, and we create new things, new inventions, new discoveries, and make our life easier. So explore your world of science more and more, with your interest, with your knowledge, with your application, and with your creation. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.